Leli Afrika maluphakanyiswa uphondo lwayo izwa imithandazo yethu Nkosi sikelela thina nosapho lwayo Nkosi sikelele Afrika maluphakanyiswa uphondo lwayo izwa imithandazo yethu
We're off. Bye bye, we're down the river. Woohoo!
No, see ya. Hang on, Glenda.
People in the back 3 rows are all soaked.
We're really on safari.
Covered in mud.
Now we have the big river to cross.
Still quite a bit of water, eh?
Still quite. Where's our bikes? Going bike riding soon.
Take a while to get that right up to the super soccer.
I say it's tonight. I say it's tonight. I say hush my baby, don't cry my baby. The lights tonight. I say hush my baby, don't cry my baby. The lights tonight.
What I'm riding through at the moment is 6-inch deep sand, and it's very hot and it's mighty hard work, and I'm gonna keep going. No, yes, no, yes. I think I can't. Oh, it's like I have to go off and walk for a while. Oh. This is hard work when you're drying out. You just get caught into these sand drifts near the Okavango. We've been out to a place called Popa Falls. It's supposed to be a waterfall, but because of the floods we couldn't really get across to the falls itself, so I'll try mounting up again here. All we could reach was a patch of turbulence in the water. So it was hard work getting there, and now I've got to face this old man struggle on the way back. Oh, goodness, this is back-breaking. Oh, got through that one. Oh, it just really takes your strength out of you though. Oh, got a few more kilometres of this to go before I can throw this crap bike away and get a lift back to camp. Oh, my goodness. Got to just keep concentrating all the time, otherwise it just throws you off. And I couldn't get a helmet today because I only had size smalls, and I've got not a small head, so no way known I could have put that on. So I just hope I don't fall off. Keep inching forward in the lowest gear, creeping. Oh, some of the hardest riding. I don't know how to get through this one. Oh. Made it. Oh, yes. Oh. Slowly. That is the piece of junk bike that I've just been riding through the sand dunes on. Not exactly my favourite workhorse. The chain rings are so bent that as you're trying to pedal forward that the chain is jumping from one ring to another. It only gets in about the bottom 3 gears. Tyres are half flat. Gears, they don't work. Brakes work. That's about one thing that does work. But at least it got me there. I'm actually now waiting by the Okavango River for the others to arrive. Been here for about 15 minutes, just admiring the little herd of goats over there. There's the Okavango River. Hopefully you can pick it out in the distance. The temperature has just started to drop a little bit now, so it's a little bit cooler than it was in the shade here at least. And I'm just glad that sand bit is over, because that was very hard riding, if I say so. And just to place you geographically, we're in the start of the Caprivi Strip, north of Botswana, south of Angola, still Namibian territory. So it's a little jutting piece of Namibian territory that parallels the Okavango River through to Zambia. So tomorrow we're going to be continuing on the Caprivi Strip through to the Zambian border and then crossing into Zambia and staying overnight at Livingstone. This is a place called Ngepi Camp, Treehouse Lodges, right on the river. It's in flood at the moment, so you can see, or maybe you can see, that the Okavango River is right over its banks, and it's actually right into the Ngepi campsite itself, which makes life interesting, but a very memorable place to stay. So I'm sure it's a place that nobody will forget. Just looking at that little herd of goats over there, there's also a duck in the middle of it, I think, that thinks it's a goat that's wandering around there. So interesting little collection. Up there's Bob's just pulled in. Noel, I think I left my wallet back at that place. Would you drive back for it?
Leli Afrika maluphakanyiswa uphondo lwayo izwa imithandazo mithandazo yethu Nkosi sikelela thina nosapho lwayo Nkosi sikelele Afrika maluphakanyiswa uphondo lwayo izwa imithandazo yethu